Hang-eez presents a how-to video for the Keyhole Hanging Tool. With one hand, pick up the hanging tool. Remove the sticker backing with your other hand to expose the adhesive. Make sure to save the backing for future use. Place the adhesive side of the tool toward the frame. Position the guide into the keyhole where the picture hanging nail would be and attach the tool. Now that the Hang-eez hanging tool is set, place the frame at the desired location and level as desired. Once ready, press at the tool's location to make a mark on the wall. Once the wall is marked, remove the tools by pulling them off gently. Grab the sticker backing and place it back onto the tool. Install your desired hanging nail at the marked locations. We are using these double-headed picture hanging nails. Hang the picture. And you're done. Hang-eez. Simple, efficient, and fun. Hang-eez tools are patent pending. Visit us at hang-eez.com.